working downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out, that's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today we are getting healthy. Actually, we are getting healthy again, or we're getting back on track to being healthy. So obviously some time has passed. Just to give you a little recap of my morning, I went to the gym at 6. I showered, had some breakfast, made some cafecito. So drinking that currently along with my water, and I'm actually having 3 different beverages right now. I obviously am drinking my hydro. I also started getting like hungry again, even though I ate not that long ago. I'm having my Premier protein because gotta get that protein in, which leads me back to the whole point of this video. So as you guys know, I'm very into working out and trying to stay fit and healthy and strong. And I can't get over how badly I miss my pre-COVID body. Anyways, I've been doing really well with my workouts because I work out at least 5 times a week. I work out like 6 times a week regularly, and I haven't seen the progress. Obviously, like I feel myself getting stronger, like getting back to how I used to feel, but I'm still not there. I still feel like there's something that isn't working. Like, why didn't I just jump back into like how it was before, you know? And then I got to thinking, Emily, my social life is very different now. When I was living in San Jose and even Oceanside. So I was living in Oceanside and then San Jose, and then now I'm back in San Diego. I didn't really have that much of a social life because I wasn't living close to friends, and like a lot of friends like moved away after college. Obviously, like when you're in a relationship, like at least for me, and I know it is for a lot of people, like you're all about that person and then you kind of like forget to hang out with friends and whatever, right? But anyways, my point is, now that I'm back in my super fun city and things are starting to open up and I get to hang out with my best friends and stuff, I am going out more. Like with a career that's like mine, it goes in waves where it's like super busy or a little bit slow, like things like that, right? Like every week is different. And so if I'm having like a slower week, then I feel like, okay, well, I'm gonna enjoy it, and then like gotta get back into like work mode once it gets like busy. Then I'm like not talking to anybody, or I'm just gonna be like, I'm not going to really have too much time to socialize, so might as well do it now. Anyways, I'm rambling on way too much. But anyways, my point is that the main difference is that I was paying more attention to what I was eating and drinking. And I do eat pretty healthy, but my friends and I were big foodies and we love to try out new places, and that is not going to change. So I was thinking, okay, what did I used to do back then that I'm not doing now? And so I remembered juicing. I used to love making my juices. I would always make my celery juice, my carrot juices. I would make wellness shots at home and everything, and I would have them prepped. So that's what I'm gonna be doing again. And when I say juicing, I don't mean like, oh, I'm not gonna eat, I'm just gonna drink juices. I just mean like I wanna have my juices prepared. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today, and I have my go-to like wellness shots recipes I wanna share with you guys. So with that being said, I'm gonna go to Sprouts soon, and normally what I would do for like juicing and stuff is not go to Sprouts because it gets pretty expensive, but I've been craving like a yummy sandwich, and I haven't had a Sprouts sandwich forever. But anyways, we're gonna head out to Sprouts now.
I could be your best friend, but I can't pick up my phone. No one.
Okay, I'm back. And let me just say, this sweater was not a good idea. I have to change out of it. This is like half of what I get from Trader Joe's. Tell me how it almost costs the same. Actually, I will tell you how. It's because it's Sprouts. All right, Sprouts haul time. I'm excited to share what I got. First of all, I'm about to eat this. I got my turkey sandwich. That's gonna be my lunch. So since I'm doing that, I was taking this digestive juice by Organic Olivia for a while, and then I just stopped. I don't even know why. I like had it in my cabinet. You couldn't see it, so I stopped taking it. So I moved all of like my supplement or like everyday supplements and stuff right here on the counter so I could easily see it and remember. And this one you're supposed to use like 15 minutes before you eat to help your food digest better. So I'm starting to take it and I'm almost done with it. I need to get some more because I really like this. back to what I got. I got some bread. I like to get like the good bread, so it's either Dave's Killer bread or go all out and get the Ezekiel bread. To me, it's worth it because I really love bread, so might as well get the stuff that's really, really good for you. If you guys saw my favorites, then you know that I was loving the Siete sea salt chips. And I noticed that they have a kettle cooked version of the sea salt ones, so I had to get them so I could try them out. I also got some romaine hearts. I got some spinach for the juicing, celery for the juicing. I do have more celery, but I wanted to get more just in case. I got some carrots for the juicing, some lemons, a lot of ginger because I like to make them very strong, 2 green apples for the juices, some tomatoes because there's something that I want to make for lunch tomorrow that involves some tomatoes, and lastly I got some pure Hawaiian spirulina. I really wanted to get some of this because this one not only has the spirulina, but it has vitamins A, K, and B12, magnesium, and chlorophyll, and these other ones that I do not know. And lastly, I got some chlorophyll. I know everybody was obsessed with this due to TikTok and everything, but I never got to try it, so I'm excited to try it. I don't even know if I showed you well, but this is the spirulina tablets. This is the chlorophyll. I'm just gonna put everything away and eat my sandwich, and then I have to do a call, and then we're gonna get to juicing. Everything's put away. It's time to eat, and I wanna show you guys the sandwich. Okay, okay. Look at how yummy this looks. I love a good sandwich. Alright, you guys, so finally it's time to get our juicing on. I don't know what I was trying to do there. I got done with some work and I want to show you guys what I'm using. You guys saw like the ingredients and everything, but let me show you the jars I'm using and my juicer. Alright, so here is my juicer. My mom actually gave it to me. So it's a used one, but it still works really, really well. I like it, but I also haven't tried a different one. So all I can say is that I do enjoy using this one. And then over here we have the jars that I'm going to be using. We're going to use this for our celery juice today. And then I got these little shot glasses or little shot jars that I'm going to be using for the wellness shots. I use my huge like salad bowl and I let the veggies soak in there for a bit and clean them really well before I get to juicing. So we're gonna get started with the celery first, and all I do is just clean it really, really well.
You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling.
Now let's get to pouring.
You were never meant for me.
Okay, so those 2 celery stalks just gave me this amount of celery juice. So I'm definitely gonna be doing the other 2, but let's taste it. I love celery juice, so good. All right, so I was able to get 3 jars out of the 4 celery stalks. My goal is to get juicing done in the weekend so I can have it for the week. So that way, whatever juice I decide to prep, I can have it like Monday, Wednesday, Friday or something like that. Next time I already know I'll probably do like a carrot one. And my friend actually said carrot turmeric is really good. So I'll probably do a carrot turmeric next time. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off, empty this out. I'll show you guys too. But let me show you how the whole, so this was where that little thing was, and then you just disconnect this. I'm just gonna clean that, and then this is what the inside looks like. Another thing I'm thinking, and let me know if you guys do it, but let me know what you do with scraps like this. I have friends that compost and everything, which I have been thinking about it a lot more, especially if I'm gonna keep doing juices, then I'm gonna have like a bunch of like scraps and everything. In the meantime, I'm just gonna toss this. So let me go ahead and clean this up, and then we'll get straight to the wellness shots. We're gonna be doing 3 different ones. We're gonna be doing a lemon ginger, a carrot lemon ginger, and a green apple spinach lemon ginger. So clearly the theme here is ginger. These are my go-to ones. These are the ones that I would always make. My favorite is the spinach one by far. Like, it just tastes so sweet and yummy. I'm gonna start off with the basic lemon ginger, and I'm gonna go ahead and prep the stuff. All right, so all I need is some lemon and ginger. I have a lot more lemon, but they're in the fridge right now. I just cut up this lemon and it smells so good. I have a lot of ginger, so I just want to make sure like I do the same amount for all 3 types. Look at that ginger, so good. All right, so it almost filled up. So what I'm gonna do is just add one more lemon because I'm gonna need to use the lemon for the other recipe anyways. According to the color, you can tell how it's gonna be very, very strong when it comes down to the ginger, which is good. That's what we like. So they will look a little bit foggy in the beginning, but then everything will settle and then you'll just see like all the juice and you're just gonna swish it up and take your shot. Now we're gonna move on to the carrot lemon ginger. Okay, so I have my carrots washed. They're good to go. Have my ginger. Oh, I just need to wash and cut up this lemon and then we'll get started with these. Also, I just use water, but I know that they have like a veggie spray or something to clean your veggies. Let me know if you guys use them because I've been wanting to try that out for a while now. I just always forget to buy it. Let's get to juicing. I forgot how good this one smells. I think I might have some left over, so I'll be able to take a shot of it, but let's go ahead and pour. Beautiful. Okay, I have leftover, so it's a lot left over. Okay, I have to rinse this off now, but that's a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna take a quick sip because remember, this is like for a shot. It's perfect. The ginger. Usually I think I do more carrot and it makes it a little bit sweeter. Wait, I just had a good idea. I have leftover carrots. So I think what I'm gonna do is just make a big batch of what's left and put it in this jar because I still have a lot left. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so I had enough left over. I did top it off like this much with water just to tone it down a little bit. That's perfect. I think I could even freeze this, honestly. Like if I'm not gonna use it right away, time to rinse this off and we on to the last one. Sorry, the lighting's starting to get a little bad, but all right, we have the last ingredient for this last one. We have our spinach here. I washed it like 5 times, so it's good now. We have our Granny Smith apples, our lemons, and I'm only gonna use one of these. The other one I'm just gonna save. But yeah, that's all I need for this one. Let's get to it.
Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm.
So good thing that I got 2 bunches of spinach and 2 Granny Smith apples. Obviously I'm gonna have extra, but that's good because I have those jars still. And this one is my favorite. So like I said, I used 2 bunches of spinach, 1 lemon, 1 big chunk of ginger, and then 2 Granny Smith apples. I'm so glad that I had left over. I poured the rest here. It's mostly like the foam or the pulp or whatever, but let's taste it. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you guys, with the spinach and green apple is just so good. All right, you guys, so here we have all of our celery juice, the leftover carrot, ginger, lemon, and then the leftover spinach, apple, ginger, lemon. Then over here we have all of our wellness shots. So you guys already know. So all I need to do next is clean up this mess because juicing can be a little messy if you're dealing with a bunch of different ingredients. But yeah, I'm gonna clean up and then store everything in the fridge. I think I'm gonna clean it out a little bit just to organize it really nicely. Let me know if you guys also enjoy juicing and if you have any recommendations for me, please leave them down below in the comments. I would love to try them. And yeah, I'm gonna try to stick to this. We'll see how it goes. Next time I'm definitely going to try out Trader Joe's because obviously it's a lot more affordable there. I'll let you guys know what I think when I compare. Obviously Sprouts is a little bit pricey, so I just wanted to try it out again, but I'm definitely going to be trying out different stores when it comes down to wanting to do this repeatedly because your girl is not rich. I cannot be paying for all of this bougie organic produce all the time. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys again for watching and I will see you next time.
I could be more faithful, but I feel let that happen.